సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss relaxation time. What is the meaning of relaxation time? Relaxation means rest. Time means time. Rest time. And also relaxation means here decay. Decay means decreases means తగ్గటం. Decreases means తగ్గటం. Relaxation time means విశ్రాంతి సమయం. ఓకే, డికే టైం తగ్గే సమయం, లేకపోతే కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్ క్షీణించే సమయం. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కోరిక మేరకు ఈరోజు నుంచి క్లాసులు తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద జనరల్ డెఫినేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ రిలాక్సేషన్ టైం. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ general meanings of relaxation time. But the original definition of the relaxation time, what is the original definition of the relaxation time due to physics? Okay, relaxation time or modulus of decay. These two words are similar words. So relaxation time anna modulus of decay anna ఒకటే. So the relaxation time defined as the relaxation time is the time, modulus of decay is the time. The relaxation time defined as time. Okay, the time taken for the total mechanical energy to decay to 1/e of its original value. So the definition of relaxation time is the time taken for the total mechanical energy to decay to 1/e of its original value. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే మొత్తం మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ తగ్గటానికి పట్టే కాలములో దాని యొక్క ఒరిజినల్ వాల్యూకి 1/e రెట్లు ఉంటుంది అని అర్థము. 1/e రెట్లు ఉంటుందని అర్థము. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏమిటంటే E ఈక్వల్స్ టు E0 into 1/e. This is the relaxation time. This is the relation between original mechanical energy and its total mechanical energy. So the total mechanical energy to decay to 1/e of its original value. So E equals to E0 into 1/e. Okay, this is the definition. So the formula of the relaxation time జనరల్గా దీని అర్థం ఏమిటంటే ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ is the definition of logarithmic decrement. Logarithmic decrement means the rate of successive amplitudes. A1 upon A0 upon A1, A1 upon A2, A2 upon A3, and so on. So successive, so decrease of amplitudes, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So the rate of these two successive amplitudes, the rate of these two successive amplitudes, the rate of these two successive amplitudes, this is the generally logarithmic decrement. So the time taken decreases of these values. The time taken decreases of these logarithmic decrements. This is known as relaxation time. This is known as relaxation time. So the amplitude, the amplitude, that means amplitude ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి తగ్గడానికి, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి తగ్గడానికి, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి తగ్గడానికి ఏమి అవుతుందంటే సమ్ ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఫోర్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫోర్స్. సో హియర్ the work is done, the work is stored in every body as mechanical energy. So the relaxation time is the time taken for the total mechanical energy to decay to 1 upon E of its original value. Okay. Formula. Formula అని రాశాను, ఫార్ములా. సో ద మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ డాంప్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ ఆసిలేటర్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ నో దట్ ద మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ డాంప్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ oscillator is given by, so the mechanical energy here denoted as E of mu a square e to the power of minus 2bt. This is the mechanical energy of damped oscillator. This is the mechanical energy of damped oscillator. This is the look like as the formula of the kinetic energy. The formula of kinetic of m v square. This is the exponential constant. So generally we know that Ke equals to of mv square. K equals to of m square of m v square. Similar words as compare, but not here. M is the mu, v square is the a square is not here, but compare words of m v square. So this formula is look like a same as a kinetic energy, and kinetic energy formula la undi konchemu. So K equals to of m v square. This is the exponential constant. So totally what is the mechanical energy of a damped harmonic oscillator here? The mechanical energy is E equals to of mu a square e to the power of minus 2bt. Here 2b is the damping constant. Already we know that. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Let E equals to E naught when t equals to 0. So if t equals to 0, then E equals to E naught. అంటే t అనేది పై ఈక్వేషన్లో t అనేది 0 అయితే ఈ మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది E నాట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే లెట్ E ఈక్వల్స్ టు E నాట్ వెన్ t ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. అంటే వెన్ t ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0, ఎప్పుడైతే t ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అవుతుందో అప్పుడు E ఈక్వల్స్ టు E నాట్ అవుతుంది అని అర్థం. సో దెన్ వీ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ these words. E equals to of mu a square e to the power of minus 2bt. So then E equals to E naught. This is the condition, E naught of mu a square e to the power of minus 2b into 0. Okay, then E naught equals to of mu a square e to the power of 0, 2b into 0, 0. E naught equals to of mu a square into 1, E naught power equals to 1. Then E naught equals to of mu a square. This is the second equation. This is the second equation from first equation and second equation. From first equation and second equation. What is the first equation? First equation is the, this is the first equation. This is the first equation. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 of mu a square. So E can be written as, so instead of this term E naught e to the power of minus 2bt. Okay, this is the third equation. This is the third equation. Second equation is the E naught equals to of mu a square. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. Let relaxation time t equals to tau. So the relaxation time is denoted by tau. Okay, by the definition of relaxation time, by the definition of, by the definition of relaxation time. Relaxation time definition, already we know that relaxation time equals to the relaxation time definition, the relation of mechanical energies, E equals to E naught into 1 upon E. Okay, so this equation can be written as E equals to E naught upon E, E naught upon E. This is the fourth equation. This is the fourth equation. From 3 and 4, from 3 and 4, from 3 and 4, what is the 3 and 4? E equals to E naught upon E, E equals to E naught upon E, E naught upon E. Then E naught e to the power of minus 2bt. Then we substitute the, in the place of E, E naught upon E. Okay, so E naught is the cancel, remaining 1 upon E equals to E to the power of minus 2bt. So this equation can be written as E to the power of minus 1, E to the power of minus 2bt. From this equation, exponential equation, therefore minus 1 equals to minus 2bt, minus 2bt. Here totally this is the condition of relaxation time, t equals to tau. So minus 1 equals to minus 2b tau. So 1 equals to 2b tau. Tau equals to 1 upon 2b. 1 upon 2b. This is the tau equals to 1 upon 2b. This is the relaxation time. This is the relaxation time. This is the equation number 5. This is the equation number 5. So from equation 3 and 5, from equation 3 and 5, E equals to E naught upon E to the power of, in the place of minus 2b, in the place of minus 2b is, so from this equation 2b equals to 1 upon tau, minus 2b in the minus, in the place of 2b 1 upon tau into t. So this equation can be written as E equals to E naught upon E to the power of E naught E to the power of minus t upon tau. This is the some relation, this is the some relation, this is the some relation. So this expression of power dissipation can be written as, power dissipation means P equals to E to the power of E upon tau, P equals to E upon tau. Then P generally power, the expression of power dissipation, power means samarthyamu, dissipation means taggatamu. So power dissipation, the definition of power dissipation equals to 2be, generally 2be. So then 2b equals to 1 upon tau into E. So P equals to E upon tau, E upon tau. This is the power dissipation. So generally, what is the here? You know that power dissipation, generally power dissipation means the rate of energy, the rate of energy. Power dissipation means the rate of energy. P equals to the rate of energy. Rate of energy means dE upon dt. D upon dt equals to E means E naught E to the power of minus 2bt. So then E naught here constant, E to the power of minus 2bt into minus 2b. Okay, so this equation can be written as a minus E 2b E to the power of minus 2bt. Then minus E to the power of minus 2bt, in the place of 2b equals to 1 upon tau. So okay, so here, so this is the E naught, this is the E naught, E naught into E to the power of minus 2bt, E naught into E to the power of minus 2b naught into E into 1 upon tau. So here power equals to E into 1 upon tau. That means this equation here, P power dissipation means this is the E into 1 upon tau, 1 upon here minus is indicates the decay, minus is indicates the decay. This is the power dissipation. So this power dissipation is defined as P equals to E upon tau. సో అంటే జనరల్గా మనం ఏం రాస్తామంటే ద పవర్ డిసిపేషన్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ పీ ఇంటూ ఈ అపాన్ టో. అలా పవర్ డిసిపేషన్ ఎలా వచ్చింది అన్నది చెప్పాను అంతే. ఇట్స్ నాట్ నెసరీ, ఇది మనకు అవసరం లేదు. బట్ పవర్ డిసిపేషన్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? పవర్ డిసిపేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ మీన్స్ డిఈ అపాన్ డిటి. డి అపాన్ డిటి ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఈ నాట్ ఇంటూ ఈ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 2bt. E naught is the constant e to the power of minus 2bt, in the inner differentiation minus 2b. So this is the written as minus E naught 2b e to the power of minus 2bt. Here E naught 2b, E naught so here 2b is the 1 upon tau. E naught e to the power of minus 2bt means E. So here minus sign indicates the decay. So this is the power dissipation. This is the total concept of relaxation time.